Hey YouTube, Sean here from Tesla Family. The worst part about owning or leasing a vehicle is definitely having to pay for auto insurance. Well, Tesla is now offering auto insurance in several states, including here in my home state of Maryland. Being a Tesla owner, of course they're offering coverage for my Model 3, along with offering a discount because I have the full self-driving package. But what about non-Teslas? Well, the answer to that question is yes. My wife owns a Subaru Crosstrek, hopefully not for too much longer, and we were able to add that to the policy as well. As long as there's at least one Tesla on the policy, you can add as many non-Teslas as you own. And what about cost? Tesla insurance is saving me nearly $50 per month over my previous insurance company, Progressive, for similar coverage. In this video, I'll show you what states Tesla Insurance is currently offering coverage in, how easy it is to get a quote, how you can control your premium with good driving using Tesla Safety Score, and I'll show you a comparison of my old Progressive policy to my new Tesla policy. Let's dive in.
Okay, let's get started here learning more about Tesla Insurance on Tesla's support page for Tesla Insurance. That's at tesla.com/support/insurance. Tesla Insurance is a competitively priced insurance product offering comprehensive coverage and claim management for Tesla owners in select U.S. states. We'll talk about those below. And there are additional states in the future. And Tesla Insurance is unique because Tesla understands its vehicles, its technology, its safety, and the repair costs for Tesla vehicles, eliminating traditional insurance carriers' additional charges. Tesla Insurance provides a convenient monthly payment. That's awesome. My previous insurance company only did 6-month payments. And it reflects Tesla's active safety and advanced driver assistance features, which come standard on all new Tesla vehicles. All right, so what states as of mid-October 2022 have the availability for Tesla insurance? We have Arizona, California, Colorado, Illinois, Maryland, Nevada, Ohio, Oregon, Texas, Utah, and Virginia. The only note here is with California, the insurance in California using real-time driving behavior is not available there in California, but all other states. To get started, it's super simple. You do it right through the Tesla app. You can purchase a policy in as little as 1 minute. Current Tesla vehicle owners can purchase that policy right in the Tesla app. If you're a new Tesla vehicle owner, you can purchase a policy in the app before taking delivery. If you are a Tesla vehicle owner with non-Tesla vehicles, that's like our family here, you can also insure your non-Tesla by adding the vehicle when you purchase a policy. However, if you are an existing policyholder, you need to contact Tesla to add your non-Tesla vehicle to your policy. And in California, you can also insure your non-Tesla vehicles by adding the vehicle when you purchase the policy. So Tesla uses real-time driving behavior in order to help calculate your insurance premium. And it's available to all Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y owners in the above select states. Tesla does not require an additional device to be installed in your vehicle. Tesla will use specific features within the vehicle to evaluate your premium based on your actual driving, and that's through Safety Score Beta. By doing this, your premium is determined on what vehicle you drive, your provided address, how much you drive, what coverage you select, and the vehicle's monthly safety score. An average driver could save between 20% to 40%, and the safest drivers could save between 30 to 60%. Similar to other insurance companies, you can get access to your insurance card and policy documents, and we do that in the Tesla app. Billing and payments, again, we're billed monthly with Tesla Insurance, and that monthly premium can change based on your safety score. You need to contact Tesla if you want to make policy changes, including adding a driver or vehicle, removing a driver or vehicle, changing coverage selections, and cancellation. You can submit a claim, manage your claim, or track your claim along with schedule repairs right in the Tesla app as well. So really you can access almost everything you need right within the Tesla app. All right, moving over to the Tesla Insurance website, simply tesla.com/insurance. We see here that Tesla Insurance has a simple sign up. Yep, less than 1 minute, you can get a quote and you can add a policy. Tesla Insurance is powered by Safety Score Beta, and there is 24/7 access through your Tesla app. You can control your premium here. Many providers base your premium on information that has little to do with your driving. Tesla bases your premium on how you drive, using existing technology in the vehicles to track the real-time driving behavior. No additional hardware is required. And Tesla also does not share your data or monitor your location. Your data stays with you. And how is that done? It's done here with Safety Score Beta. Real-time driving data is used to calculate your safety score. Your score at the end of the month determines your next month's premium. The Safety Score Beta uses up to 5 different metrics called safety factors, and your driving behavior data will only be used to calculate your safety score. Use your Tesla app to purchase Tesla Insurance, to sign up, to review your premium, and get covered. Also, use your Tesla app to manage your policy, access your documents, and add your insurance card. You can monitor and change your safety score beta by reviewing your daily driving behavior. You can also file a claim, schedule repairs, or request roadside assistance using your Tesla app. About a year ago, I created this video here, which detailed my requesting of full self-driving beta for my Model 3. And in order to actually get access to full self-driving beta, I had to complete 2 months with safety score beta. So this video here, click on the link above if you want to view it, has all kinds of information on safety score beta, including data from my first day's drive. All right, let's jump into the comparison between my previous insurance company's policy, cost, and coverage, and my new Tesla Insurance policy, cost and coverage.
All right, so let's take a look at the cost of our current automotive insurance policy through Progressive Direct. We do have 2 cars on this policy. We've got my 2018 Tesla Model 3, and we also have my wife's 2014 Subaru XV Crosstrek. Primary use for both of these vehicles is for commuting, and we are not ride sharing with either vehicle. Taking a look at the vehicle coverages, they're similar for both vehicles, but I'll go through each one line by line. For my wife's 2014 Subaru XV Crosstrek, we've got a bodily injury and property damage liability of $250,000 for each person, $500,000 for each accident, and $100,000 for each accident there on the property damage liability. Bodily injury is $250,000 for each person and $500,000 for each accident. Property damage liability, $100,000 for each accident. Uninsured motorist bodily injury, $250,000 each person, $500,000 each accident. And the uninsured property damage is $100,000 for each accident with a $250 deductible. We do have personal injury protection of $2,500 with full personal injury protection, and a $100 comprehensive deductible with zero glass deductible. This is actually really clutch, and one of the reasons why I don't really want to move away from Progressive, but if we could save a lot of money with Tesla insurance, I think that's the way I'm going to go. But I really like that Progressive has zero glass deductible with all the glass on the Tesla Model 3. It's really easy to get a chip in the windshield or even on the top glass or backlight. I mean, there's so much glass on the car that a $0 glass deductible is really key. And then the $100 comprehensive deductible was also nice too. If we have any sort of comprehensive damage, it's just $100. The collision with Progressive is a $500 deductible. We don't currently have with Progressive rental reimbursement coverage or roadside assistance. For roadside, I have a policy through another organization, separate of Progressive. It's a membership organization. And no coverage for custom parts and or equipment value, and we do not have a loan or lease payoff for the Subaru Crosstrek. The total vehicle premium just for my wife's car is $406 for 6 months. And for my Tesla Model 3, we have the same coverages, but the costs are obviously going to be a little bit higher here The bodily injury and property damage liability is $231 over 6 months. Uninsured motorist bodily injury and property damage $80. Personal injury protection $33. Comprehensive $30. Collision $385. Also no rental reimbursement or roadside assistance. No custom parts and no loan release payoff. The total premium just for my Tesla Model 3 over 6 months is $759. So for both vehicles through Progressive Direct right now, we're paying $1,165 for 6 months. That's a total of $194.16 per month. Let's see if we can beat that with Tesla insurance. All right, to add Tesla insurance, we need to do it through the Tesla app. So here I am. I've opened the Tesla app, and I'm going to find Tesla insurance by going to my profile. And I'm going to be scrolling over to the right-hand side here. We've got my Model 3. We've got my Home Energy Gateway, which is my power wall. And because it was installed separately from my solar panels, I have two different products here. I've got my power wall on the left and my solar panels on the right. And then here, the fourth little card over is called Get Tesla Insurance. Get competitive rates now. All right, I've already went through and filled out all of the information requested by Tesla to get a quote. And here's my quote. What we did is we went through and tried to match as best as we could the policy coverages from my Progressive policy to Tesla. Some of those are a bit different. We'll go over those here below. But look at this. My Tesla insurance policy, my premium for my policy is expected to be $142.71 per month. And since we said that the cost of Progressive right now is $194, we're saving about $51 or so per month by going with Tesla insurance. So it says your premium, this is a premium start off cost with Tesla insurance. Your premium will be adjusted monthly based on your driving behavior. So here we are going back to safety score. No hidden fees or charges you can cancel anytime. Learn more. So Tesla real-time insurance. Tesla insurance uses real-time data to calculate potential savings on your premium based on a personalized safety score. Your safety score is calculated using your driving behavior from the previous 30 days. View your driving behavior in your Tesla mobile app after your first trip. Each customer starts with a score of 90. The premium is based on your safety score. So your safety score from the previous month determines your next month's premium. The higher your safety score, the more you save on Tesla insurance. The majority of Tesla drivers are estimated to have a safety score of 80 or higher. Factors affecting your safety score. So forward collision warnings. Tesla measures the rate of forward collision warnings per 1,000 miles. Hard braking. They measure the proportion of time spent braking with extreme force. Aggressive turning. The portion of time spent turning with extreme force. And unsafe following. Proportion of time spent at an unsafe following distance. And forced autopilot disengagements. The number of times autopilot is disabled due to ignored alerts. Tesla will provide you tips on how to improve your safety score to lower your monthly premium. You can use these tips to become a safe driver and save more. If you're driving in autopilot, Tesla will not ding your safety score. So this is all measured for manual driving. The only way to improve your driving score is with manual driving. And your Tesla goes places, but your data does not. Tesla does not use your location to calculate your premium or keep a history of where you've been. Your data will only be used by Tesla Insurance and will not be shared. No extra devices are needed. Software version 2021.32.5 or newer is required to use real-time data with Tesla Insurance. So you can add drivers. You can add multiple drivers to the Tesla policy by just clicking Add Driver. And then you put in the name and address, driver's license numbers, your state, and your date of birth. And here are the two vehicles that we are adding to the policy, my 2018 Model 3 and the 2014 XV Crosstrek. For annual mileage on my Model 3, I estimate around between 12,000 and 15,000 per year. And that's really been my average. It took me about 4 years to hit 50,000, so that seemed to be a good range. And my wife really doesn't drive her XV Crosstrek very much, so it's between 0 and 3,000 miles. per year. Honestly, she's been driving my Model 3 wherever she needs to go. You can also add vehicles to your Tesla insurance policy by just clicking Add Vehicle, and you'll say Add another vehicle, and then you enter the VIN, and Tesla will look up the information. Let's take a look at the policy coverages. So we've matched the bodily injury and liability from Progressive over here to Tesla. We've got $250,000 per person and $500,000 per accident, and we matched the property damage liability of $100,000. And these are elevated numbers. We can edit them to go a little bit lower. I can show you here that you can go as low, at least here in Maryland, as $30,000 per person, $60,000 per accident. But we wanted to have a pretty good policy coverage just to make sure we're covered in the event. Accidents are very expensive, so we wanted to be covered there. And for enhanced, uninsured, underinsured motorist bodily injury, we did no coverage. We're just going to stick with the regular uninsured and not the enhanced. If a motorist didn't have insurance, we should be able to be covered there in that event as well. Personal injury protection, we stuck with the minimum here at $2,500. This covers your medical expenses regardless of who's at fault. We've got really good medical insurance, so just didn't think that we needed to have a very high coverage there. Vehicle coverage. So here's the collision deductible for the Model 3. The lowest you can go is actually down to $50, but we decided to keep it right around $500. So that matches the Progressive policy. We wanted to go a little lower with comprehensive, but couldn't go any lower than $500. And comprehensive covers a repair or replacement for non-collision related car damage like natural disasters, vandalism, theft, or damage to your vehicle from hitting an animal. So we went with the lowest on comprehensive. Would have been nice to go down to 100 like we had for Progressive, but Tesla doesn't offer that. We added rental reimbursement, $75 per day or $2,250 per claim. Take a look at my most recent accident video to see how much it costs to have a rental vehicle. We rented a Tesla Model Y, and that cost over $3,000 for a month of usage. So we decided to go with this $75 per day or $2,250 per claim, and at least it would cover a sizable amount if we wanted to have a Tesla while our car was being repaired. But we decided not to go as high as the $125 per day, $37.50. Same numbers here for my wife's car, except we're not going to have rental reimbursement. My wife could just use my car if her car was in the shop. We'll go ahead and add roadside though. So we're going to hit update and see what the updated premium is going to be. It was $142, it went up to $145. So only $3, less than $3 to add the roadside, basic roadside. So we're going to go ahead with that. And so now with that little bit of a change, we're saving $49 per month with Tesla insurance. We're going to go ahead and add that, I think. That's pretty significant. Over 6 months, that's $300. So because I'm already a Tesla customer, they already have my credit card, and due today is 1 month's coverage. It says I opt into electronic transactions and have read and agreed to electronic transaction terms. By purchasing, you're agreeing to Tesla insurance terms of service. If you have any questions, you can contact licensed agents for Tesla insurance. All right, we are now covered. Look at that. And we can see now that safety score beta showed back up into our Tesla app. And based on our driving behavior, for October 17th, for this morning, we are at a 97 score. So you can keep track of the daily details of your safety score and keep track of your premium. If we can keep a 97, only $74.99 a month. That's fantastic.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you really enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to Tesla Family Channel here on YouTube. We really appreciate all of our subscribers and everyone who watches our videos. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you soon. Check out all of our other videos as well. Also, follow us on Twitter at Tesla Family Chan. Use my referral code to buy Tesla solar roof or solar panels. You'll get a reward after system activation.